This video will cover how to easily add students to the app. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. This is the Manage Student and Classes screen. Actually, first, if you want to edit the class name, at the top is the class list with no students have been added yet. Tap the three dots to the right, and you'll have the option to edit a class name. All right. To add students to a class, tap the plus button, and there's a couple options. The first one is just adding a new student, so manually, I'll tap that. This will bring up the new student screen. You can set a photo, add a name, John Smith I'll add. The student ID isn't necessary, but if you have multiple students with the same name, then you definitely need to add a student ID to differentiate the students. You can also add a student email and up to 2 parent emails. I will add save there. As you can see, when you add a student that way, it adds the student to the class and also the master roster. Let me add one more student. And, oh, sorry. All right. So now I have 2 students. If you teach other classes, go ahead and tap the class one there and you can switch to a different class. And as you can see, if the student has already been added to the master roster, simply tap the green arrow to add them to a new class. And that way you can easily add students to your classes. If you want to add students in a bulk way, you can tap the plus button. And there's a couple options. There's the Google Sheet method, which will let you import students from a spreadsheet from Google Sheets directly into the app. Tap that and you will find a YouTube tutorial and explanation of how to do that. There's also, if you use the TeacherAid app, there's a way to export class lists that have been entered to TeacherAid, and you then can import them directly here into Teacher Notes. And lastly, if you have Google Classroom, you can link to a Google Classroom account, and that way, once you've linked, you can import students that way. So those are the 3 main ways to import students directly to the app. As always, email me if you have any questions. Thank you.